Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to do a spotlight on the British pound. Now, last week we had the Bank of England rate decision, and have decided to keep the rates at bay. That saw the market pushing the pound higher. So what I'm looking here is for a couple of opportunity for a bit of a pullback, really some of this strong buying pressure and a continuation of the move. And the third one is looking for a continuation of a move, meaning a break of a level. So I want to start here with the pound Canadian. And what I've got here is the daily chart. And as we can see, we had this level of in and around the 1.7860. We consolidated underneath that level and then broke above it, pull back and continued higher. We've got the moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend, and a very nice convergence here on the momentum indicators. Now, I also drew the Fibonacci retracement from the low of this move to the high, and we can see that the sweet spot, the area between the 50 and the 61.8% retracement, is clustering very nicely with this 1.7860 area. So with that resistance level, and what I'm looking for is a pullback into that level and then a continuation of this move. If we'll take a look at the weekly chart, we can see a very nice and long-term uptrend. We've got the moving averages 10, 20, 50 fanning with a very nice space in between them and a good convergence here on the momentum indicators. Now we can also spot that we are very overextended, meaning quite a distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. So once again, a pullback into that level, going to release some of this strong buying pressure and see the market closer to its moving averages. A quick look at the monthly chart, and we can see the strength of this move. The market is very overextended at this area. And if I'll zoom out a bit, we can also see the importance of this level. So many touches at that level in the past. So looking for that pullback, release some of this strong buying pressure and a continuation of this move. In a similar story, though not a similar trend, is pound versus the Swiss. Now we're going to hear from the Swiss National Bank on Thursday, and the market is expecting a reduction by 0.25% in their interest rate to 1%. So what I've got here is the daily chart, and as we can see, we had a strong downtrend here, a pullback in and around the 1.1220, and then we held underneath it. But this is not a precise level. We went lower and then consolidated and pushed higher. What I like about this move is that we are trading above this swing higher low. But if we'll take a look here on the weekly, what we can see is that the weekly has turned back into an uptrend. We've got a low, high, higher low, and a higher high, but we don't have the moving averages in the correct order for an uptrend, and we don't have agreement here from the momentum indicators. Taking a look at the monthly is also in an uptrend. We pushed to a higher high here and then printed a higher low, but the moving averages haven't changed direction yet, but we do have agreement on the momentum indicators. So coming back into the daily, we don't have the same support of the higher time frame charts as we did with the pound Canadian, but I am looking for that pullback to test the area, the level in and around the 1.1220 from above, see signs that the buyers are coming back into this market, and look for a continuation of this move. Lastly, I want to look at the chart of pound Kiwi. Now, in this case, I'm looking for a break above a level. So I'm looking for a break above that 2.1360 area. I want to start here with the higher time frame. So looking here at the monthly, and we can see the monthly is in an uptrend. We had a strong push higher, a pull back into the averages, and now a move away. We do have the moving averages 10, 20, 50 fanning and in the correct order for an uptrend, and nice convergence to flat here on the momentum indicators. Looking at the weekly, and it's the same story, we do have a nice uptrend. We had a very strong push here to a higher high. We pull back into the buy zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages, printed a higher low, and now looking for a continuation of this move. So on pound kiwi, I'm looking for a bit more consolidation on the lower time frame underneath that level and a potential break of this area. Keeping in mind that at the area of the 2.15, we could see some more sellers coming back into this market. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.